Hello friends, welcome back. I am Shweta and today we will learn a new lesson, conjunctions. Basically, conjunctions are the words which combine two words or two sentences. Conjunctions वो words होते हैं जो दो शब्दों और दो वाक्यों को आपस में जोड़ते हैं. In this session, I will explain the commonly used conjunctions in English grammar. And these conjunctions are and, or, but, because, so. Starting with the first one, that is and. Its Hindi meaning is or and it is used to express common ideas or common statements. For example, he likes coffee, he likes tea. In these two sentences, there is a common idea of liking something. उसे कॉफी पसंद है, उसे चाय पसंद है. After combining these two sentences with and, he likes coffee and tea. उसे कॉफी और चाय पसंद है. Now move on to the second one, or. Hindi meaning of or is yeah, and it is used to express choice. For example, I will play cricket, I will watch movie. In these two sentences, I have a choice of playing cricket or watching movie. So, after combining these two sentences, I will play cricket or watch movie. मैं क्रिकेट खेलूंगी या मूवी देखूंगी. Now the next one is but. Its Hindi meaning is लेकिन and it is used to express opposite ideas. For example, she is beautiful, she is arrogant. वह खूबसूरत है, वह घमंडी है. After combining these two sentences, she is beautiful but arrogant. वह खूबसूरत है लेकिन घमंडी है. Now the fourth one is because and its Hindi meaning is क्योंकि. It is used to express reason. For example, Anu did not come to class, she was ill. Anu class में नहीं आई, वह बीमार थी. After combining these two sentences, Anu did not come to class because she was ill. Anu class में नहीं आई क्योंकि वह बीमार थी. Now the last one is so. Its Hindi meaning is इसलिए and it is used to express purpose. For example, Rajesh was very hungry. He ate all the breads. राजेश बहुत भूखा था, उसने सारे ब्रेड्स खा लिए. After combining these two sentences, Rajesh was very hungry, so he ate all the breads. राजेश बहुत भूखा था, इसलिए उसने सारे ब्रेड्स खा लिए. So and is used to express common ideas or common statements. Or is used to express choice. But is used to express opposite ideas. Because is used to express reason. And so is used to express purpose. That's all about the use of and, or, but, because,